Imagine waking up one morning and your phone won't load. No Instagram. No emails. No YouTube. You try restarting your Wi-Fi router, classic move, but nothing. And then you realize, it's not just your internet. It's everyone's. The entire internet, gone. For 24 hours. What happens next? Total chaos? World peace? Or just a really awkward day? Let's set the stage. This isn't a power outage or a bad signal. We're talking about a full global shutdown of the internet. No Google. No Netflix. No Amazon. No social media. No online banking. No online anything. But electricity still works. So lights, fridges, cars, and everything non-internet related is fine. It's just the digital web that's gone dark. And it's only for 24 hours. So, what happens? Hour 1, confusion. People think it's just them. Maybe their Wi-Fi is acting up. They check their phones. Reboot their routers. Switch to mobile data. Still nothing. Then they check Twitter, but wait, Twitter isn't loading. That's when panic starts to creep in. News channels start reporting on the blackout. Yes, those still work because they're broadcast-based. Old school. But the news anchors look as confused as everyone else. Hour 3, work starts to break. Remote employees can't connect to Zoom. Emails are frozen. Cloud documents are gone. Most office jobs suddenly become impossible. There's a brief moment of joy, no emails. But then, boredom sets in. At banks, transactions stall. ATMs might still dispense cash, but online banking? Nope. Credit card systems? Spotty. Some stores can't process payments at all. Suddenly, cash-only signs pop up like it's 1995. Hour 6, flights, maps, and mayhem. Air traffic control systems rely heavily on the internet. Thankfully, there are backup systems. Aviation isn't run off Wi-Fi. But scheduling, ticketing, and baggage tracking? Those are all messed up. Oh, and if you're using Google Maps to find your cousin's wedding in the middle of nowhere, good luck. Time to remember how to read road signs. Hour 9, social media withdrawal kicks in. People start to talk to each other. In person. It's weird at first. You actually look your roommate in the eyes for the first time in months. Dogs are being walked 4 times a day. Kids are outside. People start doing puzzles. Remember puzzles? Meanwhile, TV stations are scrambling to fill airtime. No internet means no digital ads, no user-generated content, no live fact-checking. Just people sitting around saying, "We're not sure what's happening." Hour 12, real-world problems emerge. Hospitals rely on online systems for patient records, prescriptions, and communication. Many have offline backups, but they're slower and clunkier. Doctors start doing things manually. Like it's the medical version of writing with a quill. Supply chains start to wobble. Warehouses, shipping companies, and delivery drivers all rely on internet-based logistics. Packages go missing. Deliveries stall. Your overnight shipping. Try next week. Hour 18, the calm before the storm. By now, people have accepted the silence. Book sales spike. Board games are dusted off. Some families even eat dinner together at the table. Wild. But behind the scenes, companies are panicking. Stock markets are closed, or frozen. Cryptocurrency is MIA. Data centers are quiet. E-commerce is at a full stop. The global economy is holding its breath. And then, at hour 24, the internet snaps back on. Boom. Phones light up like Christmas trees. Notifications flood in. Emails. Texts. Messages. Some people cheer. Others cry. A few immediately tweet, "That was the worst 24 hours of my life." But here's the twist, not everything comes back smoothly. Some data is lost. Some systems glitch. Some companies realize just how vulnerable they are to a single point of failure. And, strangely enough, some people don't rush back. They liked the quiet. They liked reading an actual book. For a tiny percentage of the population, the unplugged day changed something. So, what if the internet disappeared for just 24 hours? Well, the world wouldn't end. But we'd definitely wobble. Commerce would slow. Communication would freeze. And billions of people would experience a weird combination of panic, confusion, and, maybe a little peace. It would be a global reminder that, while the internet feels invisible, it's actually holding up everything, from our money to our memes. And if it ever vanished for longer than 24 hours? Well, let's not go there. Yet. If you enjoyed this digital what if, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more science meets curiosity questions like this one. And hey, what's the first thing you'd do if the internet suddenly disappeared for a day? Let us know below. Until next time, stay curious, and maybe print out a map, just in case.